Okay, guys, so welcome to another market review. Yesterday was very noisy. We had a lot of news. That was why I was not really interested in what the market was doing yesterday. You can see what I'm talking about. So this is 15 minutes candle. You can see this long week. So it's crazy, man. So it was by wow, so it was on the night. What caused this? Let me check another broker to see if it's also there too. Let me check ISOs. Okay, I think it's a broker glitch. It's not on other brokers. All right, so you can this can be small. That's why it's not good to hold your trades overnight. Because if you hold your trade overnight, this would have likely liquidated you. All right. So we had a lot of news yesterday. That was why I was not really focused on the market because I don't really like to trade news. I don't really like to trade news. All right. So look at yesterday, Forex Factory. There was so much news, like it was a red day. So I was not really focused on the market yesterday. So I was kind of trading today, which is Friday, the 22nd. So we don't really have much news today. We have 8 a.m. This is not a serious news. It's not a serious one. Powell. I don't. We have to be careful with 2 o'clock though. We have to be careful with 2 o'clock because of Powell's speech. But apart from that, I don't really see any news that's so serious here. Right. So also be careful with 8 o'clock because of this red folder. Anything can happen, but it doesn't usually happen. But just stay away from the market by 8. Right. Start trading around like 8:15, 8:20. Allow just stay away from this red folder, stay away from these red ones. Just stay away from them because it can do a lot of damage. All right. So quickly, I want to just chip this in. Our paid mentorship. This is our paid mentorship. I think I've not done this for a while. This is my paid mentorship. This is the site to join my paid mentorship. If you want to join us, this is the sign. This is the explanation. Where we are about to change this flyer very soon, but it's kind of helps us we want, right? So this is it. The fee is 50,000 naira only, which is about that's about $30 something, right? It's annual. That means that means you pay once a year, right? We have a course, right? Even if you're just hearing about Forex for the first time, the course is available for you, right? From beginner to advanced, start from the beginning. What is Forex? All those things. Start with. We have classes every Sunday, which is a mind-blowing experience. Every Sunday we come together, we discuss the market. I give my, teach you guys every Sunday, right? I teach on risk management, right? This is one of the things that people struggle with. I have a course on that inside my paid mentorship, which is on risk management. Proper trade psychology, we teach that as well, right? My students know I really hammer a lot on psychology, right? Then we teach smart money. So our course is centered around smart money and algo trading, right? We give free profit funding. That means if you join my paid mentorship, right, you have the potential to get free profit account. But this month, one of my paid students have gotten, or let's say two, have gotten free accounts, right, through one of the giveaways I held. So I kind of picked one of them to be part of it because I was very active. And then this month we're supposed to fund the third person too. So two are through giveaways, and then one is when I qualified officially for our profit giveaway. So if you're in our paid group, you can get free profit accounts. Then we have a free course which is worth $150. Go and check online. Harmonic pattern course, harmonic pattern indicators are about $200 a month. But we're going to be giving you that for free. Then you have access to to our academy. You can join us, see our traders, discuss with them, interact. Community is beautiful because you learn from the community. You can find support in the community, and then you can also interact and learn. Right? You don't feel alone. Right? Some of you guys are alone. So when you join a community where you see other like-minded traders trading the same strategy, believe me, you are going to have a no-brainer. So this is the site, seller.electronic mentorship. So if you want to join, just use the link in the description. And if you're from Twitter, I'm going to give you guys just a 48 hours offer. So if you are on Twitter, use the discount code for a 20% off. So use the discount code for a 20% off, right? 20%, 20 off, right? So 20% off, right? So just use the code Twitter, so you can get a 20% off, right? 20% off. So that means you will be paying 40,000 naira instead of 50,000 naira, right? So 20% off, you're paying 40,000 instead of 50,000 naira for 1 year. Remember, it's 1 year. So they use a code Twitter. Twitter is the discount code. So just click on the link. Then if you click on the link, you click on buy now. If you click on buy now, then you come here and then you put if you put in your details, you click on coupon code there, and then you type in Twitter inside there. So once you type in Twitter, you get a 20% off to join the paid mentorship. And this offer is on for only 48 hours, right? It's only 48 hours I'm giving this, right? I don't like giving discounts on my mentorship because we are doing a lot. So it's on for 48 hours only. 48 hours. That is all 48 hours. And then you can, join us for 48 hours only. And then this offer is off, right? So I wish you guys that to make sure that you do your best, and we'll see you in the next teaching. All right, so now let's go out to the charts. So let's talk about the charts now. So there, so I quickly always start from the daily time frame. That's how we always begin, the daily time frame. That's how we always start our analysis. All right, so this is the zone I marked, and you can see it rotated nicely. Markets came backward to this key level. You can see this key level which I marked earlier. This key level which is at what, the 50%. You can see how this key level always rejects price. Watch this. You can see how price always bounces off that key level. So that key level also, which is also at the 50% of the, from swing high to swing low, right? I know on the weekly charts, we're also bullish. Don't forget, we're bullish on the weekly chart. We have this break of structure, and then we came back to this other block, we hit this imbalance and all of that, right? So now on the daily chart, we have, let's take this off. Our volume balance has played out. So now we hit this other block. I told you guys it was going to sell, and then now we have bounced back off. So now, seeing that price is still wanting to go higher, and the seasonal tendencies suggest bullishness. So it's very likely that our buys have resumed, right? So this will be a target for today, but price should likely go for this probably tomorrow, because sometimes these things, because Friday markets can be very, very gringy, right? It's very funny, right? You might have a target and then Friday candle will refuse to get there. So be mindful, this is actually the target for today, because you can see our price is not looking to go down, right? Instead, price has done what? Price has come to play this fair value gap down here. Right, so this fair value gap down here. Right, so this fair value gap down here. And then this is the point of breach. Right, markets came back into this fair value gap and it's running for this high. So it's likely we're going to see price run for this high today. That will be my bullish target to buy into this. If I can see opportunities to buy into this, then that would be nice. And then we have also created another block here, right? This is also another block has been created by this move. So market can also choose to come back down here and then run higher, right? So those are the two things I have on GXY. So I don't really have anything apart from bullishness on GXY. So for EURUSD, you see we mark the market is dropping, so we market tap into that block first time. So for EURUSD, we might still see some bearishness. What this is doing, market has already taken out this low. Wow. Be mindful, be mindful. Be mindful of what the market is doing, because now I've taken out this last low here. The price can choose to reject a bit. All right, let's look at maybe the 1 hour chart to see what's going on. Okay, even the 1 hour is bearish, right? You can see market has gone below this low. See this high, market has gone below this low. So let's be mindful of that. But if you ask me what to expect, I would say that market is likely going to go down, because now we have this break. We have this, so market can choose to continue breaking downwards, right? Market can choose to, because of what the DXY is doing. So if you ask me, I would be mindful. Now look at this market very carefully. We have something here. Look at this equal lows here. There's a liquidity target for market for the price. Price can choose to go there. Right? This is a liquidity target. This equal lows here. Right? So you can see this equal lows here. That would be a very good bullish bearish target. So if DXY has reasons to go up, that means we might see price do something like this, drop to that level here. So this is what I expect on 4 hours because of what DXY is doing. All right. So this will be a target. This equal lows here, liquidity. So market can choose to go up a bit and then drop down. So that's what I'm looking at on the pound. I mean the euro dollar. So for the euro GBPUSD daily chart as well, market has breached this breaker block which we marked earlier. It did not hold, so we can take it off. All right, so we can take that breaker off now. All right, so we can take it off. My God, why is it not deleting? It's not that one. I want to take off this breaker block. All right, so this is the breaker block where anticipating market did not hold. Let's start with look at buy side liquidity. So buy side liquidity was captured here. right? And then we have this trend line liquidity forming here. So maybe price wants to finally go for this trend line liquidity, right? Market maybe wants to go down for this because I'm not seeing signs of. And then you can see, look very carefully. Look at this zone very well. So we had this inverted fair value gap. Price has broken below. Price has gone back, tapping to it, and then so for today, it's very likely that we'll see price go for this swing low for today. It's likely we'll see price drop for this swing low, but don't force it. Don't force it. Don't force it because today is Friday. Don't force it. So that was I expect on this particular market. Nothing apart from that. So this will be my target for us to go short because of what the dollar is doing. And then British pound against the yen. Remember I told you guys monthly chart once again. We're still having that bullish target which we have here. So I expect price to get there, which I've been hinting you guys about on my previous videos. So for the daily charts, I told you that I can only buy if I can see price hit this point or this fair value gap above. So I say our price has finally hit this fair value gap above here. So this may be a reason to buy if we see a confirmation for a buy inside this gap. So wait for the news to drop before you do anything. So this can be a good place to buy this fair value gap inside there, right, before this POI. Right. So this gap here can be a good place to buy if we see a reason to do so. Right. So for now, wait for confirmations before doing anything at all. Don't do anything until you see the confirmations, right? Okay. So sure, yeah. All right. So we have the news on Nasdaq. So Nasdaq has been just been very, very bullish. We have been making all-time high. The same thing on US 30. So that has been what we have been seeing there. We have been having a very bullish market, very, very bullish market. Let's compare that to the US 30. All right, US 30. So let us see something. So so the one below is US 30. So US 30. All right. So one below is US 30. Let's use FOREX.com new pin. Right. So the one below is US 30. This one below is US 30. Right. Market has been, you can see that market has been very, very bullish, like extremely bullish. So I want to just quickly change the candle style to candle, change the candle, right? So you can see the same thing has been happening. This is a daily chart as well. You can see that US 30 has been very bullish, making all-time highs. This is a weekly chart. Even the Nasdaq has been both bullish, right? I've not really seen any bearish. This US 30 below, so you can see this bullishness here. You can see US 100, the same thing doing giving bullishness. So there's not really been any reason to look for short yet, unless we're trading a lower time frame. Although I caught some 8 days today, I think it was a Nasdaq, so I think on the 15 minutes time frame. All right, so where was it? Where was it? Okay, this was the trade right there. So I think this was the trade right there. This was the trade. Um, okay, let me just leave it because explaining this will take a lot of time and it's kind of paid mentorship content, right? Because I'll have to, go deep into strategies, all those things. So let's just leave it, right? But typically, there'll always be a summary. So it was the buy side liquidity I was looking at. Markets opened, ran the buy side liquidity. So I was targeting what this sell side liquidity, right? So I was targeting this sell side liquidity, and you can see that price actually did what I was expecting, and then it came down to this liquidity targets here. All right, so I kind of have the trade in my journal, right? So for it, I'm going to be giving a page to them what the breakdown of this trade, right? So I won't be going to break down because of this is paid mentorship stuff, right? So let's go to USD chef. Um USD this is so USD remember I told you guys that wow, it's amazing. So remember market when market was all the way down here, I've been hitting this POI here, and price has gotten there. So that what do I expect next? We might see some reaction here, or price might choose to go for this swing high here. There's a swing high inside there, this high of this candle, right? The high of this candle here, right? So that is what I'm also looking at. Right? So I think I can make this to go away for a while. So the high of this candle will be a very good area to look at, right? So the high of this candle will be a very good area to look at. If you can have price come there, that would be very nice to see. Right, that would be very nice to see. You can see price come there, right? So that would be nice. So for now, I will not really do anything on USHF. I'll just stay out and watch what the market is going to do because this is a favorable gap. You can choose to reject price. And seeing that we have taken out the previous daily high already, right? Market might just choose to reject. So today is Friday. Be very careful. We tend to see a lot of reversals on Friday, right? So for Bitcoin, Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin is just playing around, nothing concrete on Bitcoin. It's the daily charts. We see that 75k level, which I've been hinting you guys at. Market on the 4-hour market as well. You can see this Bitcoin has you see that Bitcoin has breached this trend. Bitcoin is playing up this favor leg which I marked earlier, right? I do the market scan. It was only 1 hour, so you can see that 1 hour favor leg was the leg as about. Is it 1 hour or 2 hour? Share is 2 hour. Okay, so look at that 2 hour favor leg about hinting. Like I said, market is just up that favor leg up. You can see we have this trend line liquidity here, which price can choose to run over. So market can choose to run that liquidity, and that would be very nice to see. All right. So for now, I'm kind of bullish on this, at least to take out this trend line and possibly this internal liquidity here. So I have this internal liquidity, which I also expect price to take out, and then maybe it might sell here, continue going to my 75k level. So I'm bullish from here at least to this, in this, and then this liquidity, and then possibly tap this POI. All right. So I'm still bullish on this. Let's look at gold. Gold is not doing anything I like. Let's go to the daily chart. Since I go, okay, wow, because run clear liquidity sweep. So if you can see a very clear 1 hour shift of market structure, to be nice to see on gold. And I think we have it there. So for me, if you are asking me what gold I will do, I think I'm looking at this gap here. If gold can come to this gap, that would be very nice for sales, really. If gold can come to this gap, it would be very nice for sales. We can see a kind of market structure shift. So a market could not make a high. So it broke this low here, right, above that liquidity point. So if market can come to this imbalance here, that'd be very nice to see, right? So that'd be nice to see. If market can come here and give us a sell confirmation inside there, so that'd be very nice to see. But until price gets here, I don't have any trade, right? So don't forget our payment membership is running at a discount. The code to put in at this point is Twitter. So if you're coming from Twitter, you want to join our payment membership at this 20% discount. Right, just put Twitter in this code here, Twitter there, right, and then you can join us for 1 year, right? So I hope to see you guys in our next sessions. Have a wonderful day. Cheers and God bless.